How to invite someone to 2v2 in Clash Royale. Now in this video, I'll show you where you can access that specific game mode to invite someone on 2v2 to play with on Clash Royale. So this is going to be your Clash Royale dashboard. Before you go ahead and invite someone, all I have to do first is to rearrange your cards because you won't be able to change it if you're currently on in battle or currently on the game mode of 2v2. Now 2v2 is very easy to access. All I have to do is to choose on this sword where you can see battle option. Right side of that is your game modes. Now just to simply scroll all the way down till you find this option here that says classic 2v2, but you won't be able to use this feature if your king isn't on level 8. But if you have it as level 8 above, then just simply choose that. And then once you've selected that game mode, you will be having two options to play with friend or to do a quick match. If you choose on play with friend, that is where you can invite them, and you should also be seeing who are online with one of your friends list. And that's it. That's how you invite someone to 2v2 in Clash Royale.